gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce to you the next president.
Thank the commissioner, Jean. Thank you. Thank you. He is really setting a great example for more Haitian Americans getting involved in politics. And I am proud of you and your wife. Thank you for that. And Larry, Dr. Pierre, thank you so much for meeting with me, talking with me, letting me express my feelings to you, and for your strong support of the kind of relationship we will have going forward. And I want to thank the Congresswoman for being here. It is a great gift that you are someone I'm going to be able to work with. I want to introduce you to a special friend of mine who I have gotten to know over now more than a year. This is Sabrina Fulton, and she is a strong advocate to end violence and create more hope and opportunity. Her son, Trayvon Martin, is not here with us because of the tragic, terrible loss of his life, and I am so grateful that she and the mothers of the movement are working with me to help save lives and help provide better futures for our young people. And I have to thank you, Cassandra, because you have been tireless. So let me just say, because I know we've got work to do today, we've got to knock on doors. There has never been a more important election when you stop to think, as Jean said, about who we are as a country. I think we are stronger together. Yes. And I think the diversity of America is a great gift and blessing. So I will fight every single day to provide greater opportunities here in Florida and throughout America for all people, and that includes Haitian and Haitian American. I want to say that Haiti has been close to my heart for a very long time, and we really feel a sense of connection to Haiti and all of the challenges that Haiti has faced, the continuing terrible consequences of weather, the earthquake in 2010. So I want to be a good partner with the people of Haiti. And as I told Larry, I want to work with leaders in the Haitian American community to really see the best way to be that good partner. There's work to be done, more work than any one person can do alone. That chokes me up. Because I care so much about doing this. But I can't do any of it unless I win. Let's make it happen.